Okay. Oh my god, I did not mean for that one to just drown. Did y'all see that? Okay. Sorry guys, sip of your drink, please, thank you. Okay, I'll get a drink when I get done. Yeah, I'm okay. My legs are just kind of starting to hurt. But I'm good. If you need to sit for a minute, let us know. Okay. Okay. I think I'm okay for right now, but I seriously will let you guys know if I am starting to feel too weak. If my mom hurries up, she can come back and finish off the live. Who was it that said something about the, they won't watch the powder bombs if it's not a 1 can per sponge type of thing? Y'all let me know if y'all want me to trade out any sponges. My mom, I think she's actually in here. Oh yeah, there she is. Okay. Let's do some dish soap on top. The bug, please enjoy. See, I included. Yes, I am. Ooh, this like, why is this dish soap so liquidy? Y'all see that? Interesting. Total, well, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cans over here that I'm adding, and then I have, I think, 34 more to add. That brand is super thin. Yeah, right. Yeah, it was kind of nice pouring it. Any laundry? Yeah, I have extra and Roma left, and I have 2 baking soda. Yeah, I can hand mix if you guys want. Do I want like a big hand mix? Thank you, Sherry. No. If we need to do a poll, we can. There's a lot of powder. Is there a sponge here? No. I'll hand mix this. We still have a lot of powder for bombs, guys. Okay, let's keep the prayer list going. What was the poll? Wait, what? Tanner, shut up. Okay, okay, I only have like 2 people left, so. Okay, I know Letty is in here, right? Need a poll? No poll, I can vote, that's not okay. It's up to the chat. Do you guys want a poll for dumping a bunch of powder in and doing hand mixing, or do y'all want to wait till, like, wait a little bit? Wait, okay. Okay, Miss Letty. What the? Suds or no suds? Wait, what do you mean? I'm confused. Just make a poll and see. Okay, if Letty's in here, can y'all please pin her? It is her time to shine. Ah! Bruh. I sprayed on my forehead. Okay. Y'all please follow the pinned account. She is also a supporter. She also does Clean Talk. Okay. I'm gonna take a second while I talk about her just to like kind of catch my breath and stuff. So y'all are gonna be looking at the paste bucket. But alright, Miss Letty. I think she mentioned it in the chat earlier, but she does have lupus. And every day for her has been just a constant struggle with fatigue, joint pain, sun sensitivity. But she is in remission now, but she'll never forget missing out on her high school memories and her athletic life. She spent months on chemo and dialysis, but by the grace of God, her kidneys regained function. And a transplant was no longer needed. And so her 2026 goal is to stay healthy and happy for her kids. So I just think that is amazing how dialysis worked wonders for her. Okay, powder bombs won. How, yeah, it just worked wonders for her. She didn't need a transplant. She's staying healthy. So if we can all just pray that she continues to stay healthy. God really blessed her on this one. It's amazing, and I know that her 2026 goal, she's gonna crush it. She's gonna stay healthy. I understand the missing out on high school memories. I